Just on site at the moment on a big old house. I'm all prepped. I've got my PPE on. And I'm just welding these up right now on the most dangerous floor ever. This scaffold. Not even secure. But yeah, just welding in these pieces. The person wants just a single bead. And then one side vertical up and then underneath. It's a little bit shitty, but getting it done. And that's my bead so far across the top. Nothing too special. I'm not much of a stick welder. I'm using my thermal arc, and they supplied welding rods. They supplied bin called E6013. Yeah, this was their welding. They just never had the time, so that's what they've done. That's their vertical up. So I know as long as I do something better than that, it's good enough. I think a bracket's coming out the side, and it's literally just supporting 6 courses of brick going upwards to encase this beam. So I wouldn't say structural. So that's why underneath, across the top and up one side is more than enough. That's about 600 mil, I believe. Yeah, maybe, who knows. So by no means am I a stick welder. So I've done half one side, half the other side, half one side, half the other side. They're a bit rough here and there. They're a bit rough, but this is what I was aiming to do. That was whoever done it before, who tacked it up. And that's mine. Where's there a good one? Let me find a really good one. There is no really good ones. That's about it, just a single bead going up. And this is when I was struggling with the 6013 rods. Believe it or not, that's going to be someone's house. It's huge. How does this one look? My battery is about to die any second now anyway, so thanks for watching. What beautiful scenery to do a repair. There's the prep. I think this weld here is good. I'm going to leave that weld. This weld cracked. So did that backside weld crack. I'm going to run over that. Underneath is good. And just put it on, tack it on. And they asked for a gusset, so I'll put a gusset on it after. This here is how it's going to be done. It's not going to be going nowhere. Definitely overkill. before leaving. So the van battery died because I left the lights and ignition on, but the tractor saved the day, and now we can go home.